sitting at the laundry store because the laundry guy mixed our clothes. So we just came to the laundry again. This is the laundry store. Cost in Medina for a Pakistani suit is 15 riyals. It is a lot, but that's the price. So I am at Masjid Quba. I again paid 10 riyals for me and my mother for the taxi. And here we are at the back side. It's beautiful. The view in front of me inside Quba. We are sharing a van for 2 riyals each, and the downside of sharing a van is that you have to wait for other people to come, and the wait can be from 5 minutes to 20 minutes, or could be longer, could be shorter. And the perks of booking a taxi is that you get it eventually and you don't have to wait. So currently I am on a van. So this is Roza-e-Rasool. This is gate number 309, old gate 6. And this is where they give electric carts ticket for the old and disabled people. This is the electric cart. Now let me ask for the price and everything. And this is the wheelchairs office as well. So they are giving wheelchairs for free. So if anybody wants it, they just have to show their passport. So passport dikhana hota hai na? Okay, so you just have to tell your name, and then they give you wheelchairs for free. This is in front of gate number 309. So if anybody wants wheelchairs, this is the place to get, and it's for free, and then you have to give it back. And even this electric cart, this is for free. So if you are an elder person and you cannot walk to your prayer place, you can just ask them and they will drop you off. It's for free. Wheelchairs are available all the time, but these carts are only available during Salat time, Namaz time. So if you come here and you ask them to drop you off, they will drop you off where you want to pray for free. But this only works during Salat time.